People ask me on doing a bike packing for beginners. Never thought I'd really qualified for that. I've been camping for about 30 years, but never thought of myself as an expert or whatever. But I can just tell you what I'd bring. And it's not really a lot. You don't have to bring a ton of stuff other than, I mean, a lot of it's like camera gear, but we'll just go through what I brought on this trip. I brought a chair, which I didn't need. I didn't know that they had a bench here. And this is just the camping gear. Those are tent poles to spread out your tarp. That's not necessary. And this is my little goodie bag. I'll get into that in just a minute. These Pandirts are really cheap on Amazon. I'll put them in the link below. Here's a hammock. This is optional. Some people do it, some people don't. Pillows, I'll bring two. One for like my legs and one for my head. This is the top and bottom quilt for my hammock. You can also use a sleeping bag and a pad, a tarp. There's a bag for this, but I didn't put it in there. And that is it for your sleeping system. So let me clean this up and then we'll go through what's inside here. Inside your bag, and this is I think a Hilltop Dyneema bag. It's really lightweight material. Inside here is where you usually keep your food, your coffee, just all your stuff, all your things. Yeah, it's a Hilltop. And I'll put it down in the description. This is my stove from Firebox. This is I believe a Toaks. This is a titanium 750 coffee pot I drink my coffee out of. Inside there is a lighter, little wax cord. This is my stove. You look how tiny and small it is. And it gets you some hot lips. You will regret not doing it because when you drink these, they conduct heat so well, it can burn your lip. Something to make your coffee, boil water. And then this is a Hilltop little cover for your pot. It just keeps everything sealed and put together. I've seen people use rubber bands. You don't have to get this. It's just keeps it locked down. Then you got your toilet paper. This might be a little I know it's overkill. I got toilet paper. I took the little cardboard thing out of it. I got dude wipes, freaking awesome. I got a trowel for digging a little cat hole so you can use your restroom. And then you cover it up, and that's really it. They make smaller rolls of toilet paper. These are I can put a link in the description. There's some on Amazon. You can get them at REI, but they're already pretty small. And then some more dude wipes inside there. A little bit of overkill. I don't go to the restroom like that crazy anyway. These are really cool. Again, made out of Dyneema. This is Light AF makes these. I have a backpack from them, but this has just got like mouthwash, my toothbrush, which is right here, and then on the back side is the toothpaste. I'll show you where that's at in the description. Just a little bit of ibuprofen, just if you're sore or hurting at the end of the day. I don't use this very often at all. It sucks not having it. Your idea is you don't want to carry a ton of stuff because you've got to carry all this stuff. I got a brush for my beard now that I'm famous on YouTube. And this is the oil, or the gas. It's denatured alcohol. The rest of the stuff, I brought some oatmeal, some coffee, an extra lighter. Lighters is kind of one of those one is none type thing. I got a spoon here too for oatmeal. One goes bad, you don't have a way to start a fire. So I usually keep a lighter inside here and a lighter inside there. I mean, my trip is pretty much over and I have probably way too much stuff. So this could really be dialed down even smaller. I would always carry two lighters for safety. But yeah, that's it. If there's something that you bring that I don't have, leave it in the description below. And if you want to watch this video that I'm on right now, I'm doing a 40-mile bike packing trip on the beach, which is absolutely beautiful. I've stayed really close to the ocean, hearing the ocean right now. But if you want to see that, take a look at it right here and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.